In this video, we'll learn how to edit and delete rows smartly without affecting. Now, this is my primary data and this is the secondary data. Now, this is my secondary data. Now, if I go and delete this row, I don't want this row. Now, if I go and delete this row, it will delete my data in the secondary data also. You see, this data was deleted, but I don't want this. I want only this area to be deleted. How will I do that? I will select this area and then I'll right click and then delete. You see it is deleted and here data is not affected. So this is the very good way to delete the data. Second thing which I wanted to show in this video is if you want to, like, suppose delete any data from here. You see I'm deleting this and you don't want this F data to be deleted, so you just right click, delete, and you see the data here is impacted but here is no impact. So that's the way to delete it. Now suppose you want this United States to be moved below Canada. How you will do that? One way you can do it, you can copy this and then you can insert it here and then you can delete it here. But the smart way is you just press shift and you drag and drop below Canada and it's done and the functions are not impacted. So this is also a good way. Now the third thing which I wanted to show you is if you want to hide this column, you can right click and hide. Now if you hide, you're not able to see it, and if you go and print this, that column will not come in printing. So this is the advantage of hiding it. If you want to unhide it, you just right click and if the column you can unhide, so it will come. Similar with the case of, like, if I want to hide this column, I'll go and hide it. But here if you want to unhide it, you can just double click here and it will unhide. If you want to insert any rows in between, like suppose I have to insert any data, if I select this and insert, you see it is impacting the data here also, but that I don't want. So I'll just Control C. I'll select this, only this part, and I'll right click and then insert. You see here there is no impact. Now I can write any, like suppose I can and write UK and I can write the data here. So this I can do. But similarly you can do with the columns also. If you want to insert any column, you just right click and insert, the column will be inserted. So this the same thing which I was able to do with row, same thing which you can do with column also. Like suppose you want to move this building to here, just press shift and then you just press shift and then you move this whole to here. You see it's moved. So this way you can work smartly in Excel. That's all. Thank you.